Lily, what's in your backpack? Did something just move? I don't know. Lily softly. Oh! Mom whispering. It's a baby turtle. Tiny turtle squeak. These are amazing. Really? You should draw more animals.
Maybe I will.
Did your bag just move?
No, it didn't.
That was weird.
Bubbles, no. Why is the strawberry moving? Squeak.
L-I-L-we. Shh! Why is there a turtle in our house?
Whoa, your bag is alive. It's just broken. Chirp, gasps.
You really like water, huh? You're funny. I think your name should be Bubbles. Yeah, I like that too. Whoa! Why are you glowing?
Strong waves expected near the harbor tonight.
Looks stormy outside. You like ocean sounds? Lily, what is that blue light? Nothing. Okay, that's definitely magic. It looks like a map. You want to go back home, don't you?
So, your turtle is basically a tiny GPS.
He's not my turtle.
You named him Bubbles. Look, the symbol matches this harbor. There's a turtle rescue center there. Please keep it down. He's reacting again. Maybe he knows this place. Tiny, anxious turtle squeak.
Dad, I found him at the aquarium.
You kept him hidden?
I think he's lost.
We're gonna help him.
Really? Every little guy deserves to go home. He's glowing again.
Maybe we're getting close.
That sign says Marine Rescue Center.
I think he remembers it.
Oh my gosh.
What is it?
This turtle was part of a rescue transfer during last week's storm. He was separated from the other baby turtles.
Can he still find his family?
Maybe with a little help.
You really belong out there. You'll be safe tonight.
Until he escapes again.
Bubbles?
Oh no.
Everybody spread out. There you are.
He's trying to go home.
Okay, team. Let's help Bubbles get home.
This turtle better appreciate me waking up early.
He seriously watches the ocean like a movie.
I think he misses it.
Tiny turtle chirp.
Baby sea turtles always try to find the ocean.
Even when they're scared?
Yes. Home calls them back.
I'm gonna miss you. But I want you to be happy.
Tonight might be special. What's happening?
The hatchlings are coming.
They're so tiny. There's so many of them.
You found your family.
He remembers where he belongs.
Bye, Bubbles.
He'll remember you.
Be safe, okay?
You did something really brave.
So did Bubbles. This is Bubbles. Whoa! He helped me be brave. These are amazing! Really?
You should draw more animals.
Maybe I will. Thank you, Bubbles.
No turtles today, okay?
No promises.
Let's survive one normal weekend first.
That symbol? You noticed it too?
See you again, Bubbles.
Some people believe these turtles always return home.
Even after they leave?
The ocean remembers.
Hi, Lily. Hi. Hi. Wow, she talks next now. This Friday, we're helping clean the beach. Yay! And Lily will help lead the turtle awareness team.
Me?
Baby turtles can get lost during storms,
That's sad.
but people can help them.
Your drawings are awesome.
Do turtles really eat plastic?
Sometimes by accident.
We should help them.
Yeah, we should.
Thanks for coming back. The ocean looks scary today. Yeah. Yeah.
High tides and dangerous currents are expected tonight.
Nobody goes near the beach. Even magical turtles? Max. Bubbles? Bubbles, where are you? They came back. Wait for me. Oh my gosh, Bubbles. You came back. I missed you too. Go home, Bubbles. Did you hear about the storm last night? They closed the beach.
Yeah.
Witnesses reported strange glowing shapes beneath the water last night.
Aliens.
No way, it was probably fish. Not fish.
Oh, that's the same symbol from the news.
Yeah.
Did you really see them?
That symbol.
Some ocean mysteries are very special.
You really met them, didn't you?
Yeah.
Then the ocean chose you for a reason.
This place smells like popcorn and seaweed.
That's surprisingly accurate.
It's beautiful.
These drawings are amazing.
Did you really see glowing turtles?
Maybe.
Lily has a very special ocean story to share. Oh boy. You can do this, sweetie. Sometimes small things need help finding their way home. And sometimes, helping others can change you too. I think your turtle friends came back. Maybe they never left. It feels different today. The symbols. What? Wait, the turtles sent you a treasure map?
That cave isn't on normal maps.
This is incredible.
I think Bubbles wants to show us something.
Looks like the adventure isn't over yet.
Not even close. If we find pirate treasure, I'm keeping it. Focus on not falling first.
We're close.
This place has been hidden for years, Owens. Okay, this is officially awesome. It's the same symbol. Whoa! It's beautiful.
These turtles have been here a very long time, Doe.
They protect the ocean. So Bubbles was part of this? They were waiting for us. Oh, wow. This feels like another world. It's beautiful. I think they trust us. Bubbles! He came back to say hello. The turtle gave you treasure. It's beautiful. It's a gift. Thank you, Bubbles. Squeak. I'll never forget you.
Some secrets belong to the ocean.
And some become part of us forever. It feels different now.
And then boom, Secret Turtle Kingdom.
You left out the part where you screamed.
That cave was spooky, giggling softly.
Fine, you got me. Well done, Max. You should be an artist someday. Maybe I will. You already are.
Ah! Look, something's glowing.
I know. I promise. Hi, Bubbles. What happened to your turtle friend?
He went home.
Will you see him again? Hey, Bubbles. Bubbles! Soft, happy turtle squeak. I missed you so much. See you again, Bubbles. Soft turtle squeak, hee hee.